Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's class, we are going to discuss about how we can multiply two digits number. Like suppose 13 into 12 we have. What we need to do this by normal method. What we will do 3 into 2 6. Again 2 into 1 2. Again 1 into 3 3. 1 1 ja 1. Again you will add here, right? 6 3 plus 2 5 and 1 156 we got. This and all will eat a lot of time. So we have here one trick. Like what is the trick means, that is 13 into 12 if you have means, anyway here the number going to starts with 1 in both cases, right? In this case what we need to do means, just focus on unit digits. Here we have 3 and here we have 2. Just multiply those two things. 3 into 2, 3 times 2, what will get? 6. Again add these two things. 3 plus 2, what will get? 5. Again 1 into 1 1. This 1 into 1 anyway we need to keep in the this place. So what we got? 156. Directly by looking at this number we can solve easily that the multiplication of these two numbers is 156. How quickly we identified, right? This trick we are going to apply in different numbers. Here we have 1 as well as here also we have 1. This trick we need to apply here. So here we have 2 in the units place. Here also we have 3 in the units place. Just we need to multiply these two. 2 into 3, that is 6. Now what we need to do, these two we need to add, that is 2 plus 3 will be 5, right? 5, that 5 we need to put here. Again 1 into 1 1, that 1 we need to put here. Just now we have seen this example, right? Like this we need to solve. Looking at this number, here also we have 1 and here also we have 1. So this trick applies here also. Just look at the units places, 4 and 5. Just multiply these two. 4 into 5, what we will get? 20. Here we have 20. So you need to put 0 in the unit digit place. We have 2 carry. Just remember this. We have 2 carry here. Again, what is the next step? We need to add these two. That is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. What we will get? 4 plus 5? 9. That 9 we need to add to this carry. 9 plus 2? 11, right? So in the unit digit what we have? 1. That 1 we will take here. Remaining is 1 carry. 1 carry we have. Remember that. Again 1 into 1 1. That is 1 plus 1 2. So that 2 we need to put here. It seems like a little bit complicated, but if you keep on practicing, this will be going to be much more easier. Let's look at the next question. Here also the number starts with 1. So here in the units digit we have 1 and 7. Just multiply these two. That is 1 into 7. We have 7. Again if you add these two, 1 plus 7, what we will get? 8. 1 into 7 7, that we will keep here. 1 plus 7 8, that we will add keep here. Again 1 1 ja 1, that one we need to keep here. The answer is 187. Here also we can apply the trick. Same one we have here. Initial places. What is the 6 times 5? What we will get? 5 into 6 30. 30 we will get. This 0 we will put here. 3 carry we have. Again 6 plus 5, what we will get? 11 we have. That 11 we need to add to this number. That what we will get? 11 plus 3 14, right? This 4 we will put here. This 4 we will put here. 1 is carried here. 1 we have. Again 1 1 ja 1. That 1 we need to add to here. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 240. Next question we have here, that is 8 and 9 we have in the units place. Just multiply these two. 8 into 9. 8 9 ja 72, right? 2 will put here. 7 we have carry. Again 8 plus 9 17, right? That we need to add it here. That is 7 plus 7 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. So this unit place digit we need to put here. Again we have this 2 carry. We'll keep this. 1 into 1 1. that 1 we need to add here, that is 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is 342. Just try to solve this and let me know in the comment section below. Till now we have seen like the number that starts with 1, like 12 into 13, the number that starts with 1. But from now onwards we are going to see the numbers that ends with 1, like 31 into 41. Here we have the numbers that ends with 1. Let's look into these kind of problems, how we can do this. Suppose here we have 2, 21 and 31, the number that ends with 1 here. So in this case what we need to do means, till now we were placing the numbers like this, like 3 into 2 6, 3 plus 2 5 and 1, like this we were placing. But now onwards we need to place the numbers like this. Remember this. Like how means, here we have 2 and 3. 2 times 3 what we will get? 6. The numbers we need to place like this, that is 6 comes here. Again what we will get? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 what we will get? 5. This 5 we need to place here. Again 1 into 1, 1 times 1, that is 1. So the answer is 651. Let's see here. Here also we have 1 and 1. We need to place the numbers like this. Remember that, guys. Here we have 4 and here we have 5. 4 times 5 what we will get? 20. Here you need to look at carefully. We have 20 here. Just place this 20. Upon adding these two, now we need to add these two, right? Upon adding these two, if we get single digit, then we can place here anyway. If we get double digit, then we need to add it to, then we need to add the carry to here. Remember that. I will show in the next examples. Just focus on this example. 5 plus 4 what we will get? 9, right? Then directly we can place here because this is a single digit. Again 1 into 1, 1 1 ja 1. So the answer is 2091. Let's look into the next example. This is very important. Here we have 1 and 1, that is the numbers ends with 1. Same trick we need to follow here, but slightly this is difficult. I will show you. 6 here we have 7. 6 times 7 what will get? 6 7 ja 42, right? Just place that. Anyway you need to place like this only. 4 and 2 you will place like this. But here we need to be very careful. What we will get? 6 plus 7, 13, right? 13 we got. Here we have 2 digit number. Just remember that. This one we need to add here. 2 plus 1 will be 3, right? So I will replace this with 3. This 3 anyway we need to place here. This 1 and 1. 1 times 1, 1. So the answer is 4331. Like that. Similarly, can you solve this? Here we have 1, here we have 1. So this trick applies here. 8 times 9. 8 9 ja 72, right? 72 we have. We need to place like this. 7 and 2 we will place. Again 8 plus 9 what will get? 17, right? 8 plus 9 will get 17, correct, right? This one we need to add it here. This you need to remember carefully, okay? 2 plus 1 again, directly I will write here 3. Again 7 we have this. This 7 you can write here. Again 1 times 1, 1 1 ja 1. The answer is 7371. Just I will solve this first question. You can solve this later. Okay, here we have the number that ends with 1. So this trick applies. 3 into 6. 6 3 ja 18. 18 we got. Directly write that 18 here. Again 3 plus 6. What will get? 3 plus 6, that is 9. 9, right? Here we have single digit. So don't worry. Directly write it over here. Again 1 times 1 what will get? 1. So the answer is 1891. Simple, right? This one you try to solve this and let me know in the comment section below. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my channel. and click the bell notification icon for more videos. Thank you.